Hi, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walkthrough on a Sea Ray 350 Coupe. On the swim platform here, we have the extended swim platform. A lot of entertainment space, very wide. Coming right onto the back is the Transom Gourmet. You have a sink, you have an electric grill, great for when you want to grill at the islands. You don't need to fumble around taking out anything. Walking into the cockpit, we have the sun pad set up here. So you can have the sun pad, you can have the table, or you can have it opened up just one big seating. We have a little ice chest here. You're going to see the returns for the air conditioning. You also have heat, which is pretty nice. Very large sure shade sitting out, which covers the entire swim platform and the cockpit. Moving forward, midship in the boat, you're going to see the helm. The seat turns around, which is pretty neat. So you're going to be one, you know, when you're anchored or you're docked, you turn around and it's one big entertainment area. You're going to see a one-piece windshield, which is great for visibility. Again, all air conditioning and heat. All rocker switches for the helm. This boat does also have a joystick drive, which is the twin axius drives. Moving forward into the cabin, first thing you're going to notice is the angled V-berth. A little bit more space it allows when we throw it at an angle. You're going to have a very nice salon sofa. It's actually, some people may say a dinette because it's reverse facing for the opposite side. So you have a fridge, twin stovetop, in the galley. In the aft stateroom, it's a little bit larger with this design, so you're able to have a full filler piece there to make that a very large sleeping area. Very nice pointed head here on the port side. So again, Patrick Rourke, MarineMax Clearwater. Quick look at the Sea Ray 350 Coupe. Give me a call, 813-909-5064, and we'll set up a time to, kind of go through the boat a bit more in detail. Talk to you soon.